Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is soft and moist banana fruit cake in Kadai. So let's start. Take 2 ripened bananas. I am using robust banana. Make a puree of it and keep it aside. Now take a mixing bowl. Crackle 1 egg. To that add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat it with a beater or whisk it with whisker. Beat it till egg turns fluffy. Now to that add half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of, that is 60 ml of oil. You can also use butter or ghee. Beat it again till it turns silky smooth consistency. Now place a sieve. Add 250 grams of maida. To that add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder and sieve it without any lumps. Now mix it well using cut and fold method. By mixing it in cut and fold method, the cake turns fluffy. Now add banana puree and mix it again. Or you can mix it in one direction. Mix it till puree combines well. To that add 1 tablespoon of milk. Now the cake batter is ready. To that add finely chopped red cherries and mix it again. Now let's preheat kadai. Place a stand in kadai. Close the lid and preheat it in high flame for 5 minutes. Make sure the bottom of the kadai should be heavy. Now let's grease the cake mold with oil or butter and dust it with maida, or you can place butter paper in a cake mold. Discard the excess flour. Now transfer the cake batter into cake mold. For other cake recipes, check out the description box below. Tap it twice to release the air bubbles formed. Now place the cake mold in the preheated kadai. Close the lid and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes in low flame. If you are baking it in oven, bake it under 180 degrees for 35 minutes. Now after 35 minutes, let's check whether the cake is baked. You can see the batter stick to the toothpick. Bake it for another 5 minutes. If you are baking it in oven, remember temperature may vary oven to oven. Check it again. Now you can see the toothpick is clean. Turn off the flame. Let it cool completely so that the cake demolds easily. Tilt the cake mold. Tap it at the bottom. The cake demolded easily. The soft and moist cake is ready. Looks yummy, isn't it? So try out this recipe, friends. and drop your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe Nandoos Cookbook channel.